From purchase to playtime, here's our roadmap for shipment, delivery, and installation of your new playground and recreation equipment and what you need to prepare for. The shipping and installation experts at AAA State of Play include people like Kevin, Michael, and Eugenio. They work with our sales team, warehouse team, various freight companies, and our installers, if you use them, to get everything delivered in a coordinated and timely manner. First thing we do is set a date, a targeted date, knowing there are variables like weather and transportation. While we work with you on that, we also work with our vendors and contractors to set optimal times and the best rates for shipping and delivery. If anything needs to be changed on our end or yours, you'll always be kept in the loop. Once the date is set, our warehouse team kicks it into gear, assembling your order, checking and rechecking every piece of your order, making sure equipment is properly wrapped and secured for shipping. At the heart of your shipment is the hardware box. It's your blueprint for assembly and includes instructions, a recommended tool list, and all the clamps, screws, and hardware you'll need. The hardware box is checked and rechecked itself, then placed on top of your shipment. It should be the first thing you unpack. Once your order is loaded, Tavo takes photographs for documentation. The truck doors are closed and your order's on the way. The freight driver will contact you once they hit the road, so you'll be ready and prepared for their arrival. They'll need a safe and accessible place to park and unload. The shipment will come by large truck, maybe even a semi, so plan for that, both on the ground and check for anything overhead for proper clearance, like trees and utility lines. Once your shipment arrives, you'll need at least 3 able-bodied people to unload, 1 person up top to guide, and at least 2 below to receive. The equipment is more unwieldy, like a spiral slide, than heavy. Inspect the delivery for any signs of damage and take pictures for documentation. You'll sign a receipt of goods and certainly sign off on any damage that needs to be dealt with later. Typically, this driver's there for delivery only. Once your equipment is offloaded, have a place to safely store and secure it if you don't assemble it right away. You have 72 hours to check everything. The hardware box will have the installation guide and an equipment list. Unwrap your equipment, make sure you have the right pieces and the right colors. Report any problems that need to be addressed, again within 72 hours. Now, installation. You have 3 options. DIY, do it yourself. We provide detailed guides. Our people, including our resolution team, will be available on the phone or any social media to help with questions and problems. We offer supervised installs. One of our experienced installers comes to you to assist your people with your tools to advise how to work together and put it together. Or hire one of our certified and experienced installation crews. They handle everything from unloading to full assembly, making sure everything is compliant, safely spaced, and secured. They're not finished until you're happy. And after all that, it's game on. Let the fun begin.